Philippines has a very rich culture and lots of traditions, but sometimes it's really hard to see it.
This morning we took the car, drove 3 hours away from Manila, and we arrived at Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar.
Here, people try to preserve the past by rebuilding mansions from the Spanish era.
And this is why we like this place.
Let's check it out.
3 hours to make one leaf, so imagine the whole tree. It's crazy. The atmosphere here is really unique.
Yeah, it's definitely not the tall buildings of Manila. What they did is actually awesome.
You wanna explore more?
Yeah, let's go.
He like to show.
So you know why there are two holes? It's because before people used to bond together and shit together.
Hey bro, what's the biggest?
Discovering new places, having amazing experiences are the reasons why we live in the Philippines.
And that's the best decision we made.